buzzing through the sky so bright. BrainyBumble takes a flight, lands on books that open wide. Let the magic start inside. A, B, C in 1, 2, 3. Come along and learn with me. Color, shapes, some stories too. BrainyBumble Symphony. Draw and dance and sing with cheer. Every little